Hi there, nature explorers. Welcome back to Daisy's Animal Facts, the show where we journey into the wonderful world of amazing animals and discover some of the most incredible creatures on our planet. I'm your host, Daisy, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you join me on another fantastic adventure into the animal kingdom. Today's episode is about one of the most spectacular and dramatic animals in the entire world. They have amazing collars that can unfold like magical umbrellas. They're incredible runners who can sprint on just their back legs like tiny dinosaurs. And they have the most impressive threat displays of any lizard on Earth. These remarkable animals are masters of surprise and can transform from calm, quiet creatures into fierce-looking dragons in just seconds. Can you guess what they are? That's right, frilled lizards! Frilled lizards are some of the most extraordinary and impressive reptiles in all the world. And they're absolutely amazing when you learn about their incredible special features and remarkable adaptat. Ions! These spectacular animals are unlike any other lizard on Earth and are some of the most fascinating creatures in the entire animal kingdom. Wild frilled lizards are absolutely magnificent creatures that typically weigh between 1 to 2 pounds and measure about 2 to 3 feet long from their nose to the tip of their long, powerful tail. Some of the largest males can grow even bigger and reach lengths of over 3 feet. What makes frilled lizards extra special is their incredible frill, which is actually a large fold of skin around their neck that normally lies flat against their body, but can expand into a huge, colorful collar when they need to look scary or impressive. Adult frilled lizards have gorgeous coloring that helps them blend perfectly with their forest environments. Their bodies are usually brown, gray, or reddish-brown with beautiful patterns and markings that look just like tree bark and fallen leaves. The most famous feature of frilled lizards is definitely their incredible neck frill that can expand to nearly twice the width of their body. This amazing frill is supported by long cartilage rods that work like the spokes of an umbrella, spreading the skin into a perfect circle. Frilled lizards have bright, alert eyes that help them spot predators and prey from great distances. Their excellent eyesight is perfect for their tree-dwelling lifestyle, where they need to judge distances between branches accurately. These wonderful animals have strong, muscular legs that make them excellent climbers and incredibly fast runners. Their back legs are especially powerful and allow them to run upright on just 2 legs when they need to escape danger quickly. The long tail of a frilled lizard works like a tightrope walker's balance pole, helping them stay steady when climbing through trees and running across branches. Their tails are also used for communication and can be moved in different ways to send messages. Female frilled lizards are usually smaller than males and have less colorful frills, but they're just as impressive and capable. Both males and females have sharp claws that help them grip tree bark and climb with amazing skill. Frilled lizards live in some of the most beautiful and diverse forest environments in northern Australia and southern New Guinea. And these incredible animals have adapted perfectly to life in the trees of tropical and subtropical woodlands. These amazing animals love living in open forests and woodlands where there are plenty of trees for climbing, but also open spaces where they can bask in the warm sunshine. They need environments with both thick forest areas and sunny clearings. Wild frilled lizards prefer areas with tall trees that have rough bark, which gives them excellent grip when climbing and provides perfect camouflage when they press their bodies against tree trunks too. Hide from predators. Many frilled lizards live in areas where different types of forests meet, such as where rainforests blend into drier woodlands. These edge environments provide the perfect combination of shelter, food, and basking opportunities. Frilled lizards are incredible habitat choosers who need specific environmental conditions to survive. They require warm temperatures, adequate rainfall, and plenty of insects and small animals to hunt throughout the year. The environments where Frilled lizards provide perfect conditions for their unique lifestyle. They need forests with plenty of fallen logs, rock outcrops, and open areas where they can hunt for ground-dwelling prey. These amazing animals prefer areas with seasonal weather patterns that create wet and dry periods. During wet seasons, there are more insects to eat, while dry seasons provide perfect basking conditions and easier hunting. Wild frilled lizards choose territories and forests that provide good lookout spots, like tall trees and rocky outcrops where they can watch for danger and survey their surroundings. They need environments where they can see predators coming from far away. Frilled lizards have some of the most amazing and specialized features of any reptile in the world. And every part of their incredible body is perfectly designed for being successful tree dwellers and masters of dramatic defense displays. The most incredible thing about frilled lizards is definitely their amazing expandable frill that works like a built-in costume for scaring away predators and impressing other lizards. During important social interactions, when a frilled lizard opens its frill, it reveals beautiful bright colors including reds, oranges, yellows, and pinks that are normally hidden when the frill is folded. These vibrant warning colors make the lizard look much more dangerous than it really is. The frill expansion happens incredibly quickly and is controlled by special muscles that pull on the cartilage supports. A frilled lizard can go from looking normal to looking like a fierce dragon in less than a second. The climbing abilities of frilled lizards are absolutely remarkable. Their sharp, curved claws and strong grip allow them to climb straight up smooth tree trunks and hang upside down from branches without falling. Frilled lizards have amazing color-changing abilities that help them blend with their surroundings. They can make their skin lighter or darker depending on the temperature, their mood, and what they're trying to camouflage against. These incredible animals have specially designed scales that help them grip tree bark and rough surfaces. The scales on their feet and belly are different from their body scales and work like tiny climbing spikes. Frilled lizards have excellent hearing that helps them detect the sounds of approaching predators or the movements of potential prey. Their sensitive ears can pick up vibrations through tree branches and the ground. The powerful jaw muscles of frilled lizards help them catch and eat a wide variety of prey including insects, spiders, small mammals, and other reptiles. Their teeth are perfectly shaped for grabbing and holding struggling prey. Frilled lizards are incredible communicators who use their amazing frills, body language, head movements, and color changes to talk with other frilled lizards and send important messages about territory, danger, and social relationships. The most spectacular communication display of frilled lizards happens when they open their frills and stand tall on their back legs while opening their mouths wide and hissing loudly. This dramatic performance is designed to make them look as scary as possible. Male frilled lizards use their colorful frilled displays to attract females during mating season and to warn other males to stay away from their territories. The brightest and largest frills usually belong to the strongest and healthiest males. Frilled lizards make various hissing and puffing sounds when they feel threatened or are trying to establish dominance. These sounds, combined with their visual displays, create very convincing threat performances when frilled lizards are calm and relaxed. They communicate through subtle body language like head bobbing, tail positioning, and gentle color changes that show their peaceful intentions to other lizards. Young frilled lizards learn communication skills by watching their parents and practicing their frilled displays from a very early age. Baby frilled lizards have tiny frills that they use to practice the dramatic poses they'll need as adults. Frilled lizards also communicate through territorial marking behaviors, leaving scent trails and visual markers that tell other lizards which areas are already occupied and should be respected. The way frilled lizards position themselves on trees and rocks also sends messages to other lizards about their confidence and social status. Dominant lizards choose the best perching spots and display themselves prominently. During aggressive encounters, frilled lizards will face each other with their frills expanded and engage in impressive staring contests to determine which animal is stronger without having to fight and risk injury. Frilled lizards are incredible hunters with some of the most versatile and opportunistic hunting techniques of any lizard in the world. And these amazing creatures have developed strategies that make them successful at catching many different types of prey. Wild frilled lizards are fantastic at using their excellent eyesight to spot moving insects and small animals from their perches high in trees. They can detect tiny movements that would be invisible to most other animals. These amazing animals hunt by sitting very still on tree branches or rocky outcrops, waiting patiently for prey to come within striking distance. When they spot a target, they move with lightning-fast speed to catch it. Frilled lizards use their incredible climbing abilities to hunt for insects, spiders, and small animals that live in trees. They can search every branch, leaf, and crevice for hidden prey that ground-dwelling predators would never find. When hunting on the ground, frilled lizards become active stalkers who slowly approach their prey while staying perfectly camouflaged against rocks, logs, and fallen leaves until they're close enough to strike. These wonderful animals are excellent at catching flying insects by leaping from their perches and snatching prey right out of the air with their quick reflexes and precise timing. Wild frilled lizards have incredible patience when hunting and will remain motionless for hours, waiting for the perfect opportunity to catch prey. Their ability to stay completely still makes them nearly invisible to potential meals. During different seasons, frilled lizards adapt their hunting strategies to take advantage of whatever prey is most abundant. In wet seasons, they focus on catching the many insects that emerge, while in dry seasons they hunt for different types of prey. These amazing animals are also excellent at hunting in different environments within their territories. Using tree hunting techniques in forests and ground hunting methods in clearings and rocky areas. Wild frilled lizards are excellent climbers and runners who move through their forest environments with amazing grace and speed, perfectly adapted for both escaping predators and chasing down prey in their three-dimensional tree world. When frilled lizards climb trees, they use their sharp claws and strong grip to move straight up vertical trunks and navigate through complex branch systems with incredible skill and confidence. These spectacular animals can run at amazing speeds when they need to escape danger. And their most famous running technique involves sprinting on just their back legs like tiny dinosaurs while their front legs are held off the ground. Frilled lizards have amazing balance that allows them to run across narrow branches, leap between trees, and navigate through dense forest canopies without falling or losing their footing. When running on the ground, frilled lizards can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, which is incredibly fast for a lizard. Their powerful back legs and long stride make them some of the fastest reptiles in their habitat. Young frilled lizards learn to climb and run by following their mothers and practicing on small branches and short distances. They develop their amazing movement skills gradually through lots of practice and exploration. Wild frilled lizards are also capable of swimming when necessary, though they prefer to stay in trees and on land. Their strong legs and long tail help them paddle through water if they need to cross streams or escape predators. These amazing animals have different movement styles for different situations. They move slowly and carefully when hunting, quickly and dramatically when threatened, and playfully when interacting with other frilled lizards. Frilled lizards are excellent at jumping between trees and can leap distances of several feet to move from branch to branch. Their powerful legs and excellent timing make these aerial maneuvers look effortless. Wild frilled lizards have fascinating social behaviors and territorial arrangements that help them succeed in their forest environments while avoiding conflicts and ensuring successful reproduction. and survival. Frilled lizards are generally solitary animals who prefer to live alone except during mating season when males and females come together to start families. This lifestyle helps them avoid competition for limited resources. Adult frilled lizards establish territories that they defend from other frilled lizards, ensuring they have access to the best basking spots, hunting areas, and shelter sites within their forest homes. Male frilled lizards have larger territories than females and will patrol their areas regularly, using their impressive frilled displays to warn other males to stay away from their claimed spaces. Frilled lizards communicate their territorial boundaries through scent marking and by creating distinctive basking and perching spots that other lizards learn to recognize and respect. During mating season, which happens during the warmer months in Australia, male frilled lizards become more active and spend time searching for females within their territories. Female frilled lizards are very selective about choosing mates and will only accept males who can demonstrate their fitness through impressive frilled displays and territorial control. Adult frilled lizards have excellent memories for recognizing individual neighbors and can distinguish between familiar lizards who belong in the area and strangers who might be trying to invade their territories. Wild frilled lizards prefer to avoid serious conflicts through their dramatic threat displays rather than actual fighting, though they will defend themselves vigorously if cornered or protecting their young. Female frilled lizards create amazing nests where they lay their precious eggs after mating season ends. These special nests are carefully chosen and prepared to provide the safest possible environment for developing babies. Frilled lizard mothers lay between 8 to 14 oval-shaped eggs that have leathery shells, unlike the hard shells of bird eggs. The number of eggs depends on the size and health of the mother lizard. After laying their eggs, mother frilled lizards carefully cover them with soil, leaves, and other natural materials to camouflage the nest and keep the eggs at the right temperature and humidity levels. Baby frilled lizards, called hatchlings, develop inside their eggs for about 2 to 3 months before they're ready to hatch. The exact time depends on the temperature and conditions where the eggs are buried. Newborn frilled lizards are absolutely adorable when they hatch from their eggs. They're perfectly formed. Miniature versions of their parents, complete with tiny frills and all the same amazing abilities. Young frilled lizards grow incredibly quickly during their first year of life, shedding their skin regularly as they outgrow it and developing their adult coloring and full-sized frills. Hatchling frilled lizards face many challenges during their early months, including finding enough food, avoiding predators, and learning the complex skills they need to survive in their forest environment. Mother frilled lizards don't provide direct care for their babies after they hatch, but they choose nesting sites so carefully that their young have the best possible chance of survival in the wild. Frilled lizards are much more important and remarkable than many people realize, and these incredible animals play crucial roles in their ecosystems while showing us amazing examples of adaptation, survival strategies, and the incredible diversity of reptile life. Wild frilled lizards help control populations of insects and small animals in their forest environments, preventing these creatures from becoming too numerous and maintaining the delicate balance of woodland and ecosystems. These amazing animals serve as important prey for larger predators like birds, snakes, and mammals, making them a crucial part of the food webs in Australian forests and contributing to ecosystem stability. Scientists study wild frilled lizards to learn more about reptile behavior, adaptation strategies, and how animals develop such impressive defense mechanisms. Research on frilled lizards has taught us incredible things about animal communication and survival. Frilled lizard watching has become popular among wildlife enthusiasts and tourists, helping people appreciate these unique animals while supporting conservation education and research programs that benefit all forest wildlife. Scientists use modern technology like camera traps and tracking devices to better understand frilled lizard behavior, territory sizes, and habitat needs, leading to more effective conservation strategies. Today, frilled lizard populations are considered stable in most areas, though they continue to need protection of their forest habitats and monitoring to ensure their long-term survival. And that's our incredible adventure, exploring the amazing world of frilled lizards. From their spectacular expandable frills and incredible running abilities to their important role in forest ecosystems and their fascinating territorial behaviors. Frilled lizards show us that these magnificent animals are truly some of nature's most dramatic and wonderful survivors. Thanks for exploring the spectacular world of frilled lizards with us today on Daisy's Animal Facts. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible forest dragons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for our next adventure into the animal kingdom. And remember, the more we learn about amazing animals like frilled lizards, the better we can appreciate and protect these magnificent creatures. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and stay curious. Friends, the world is full of amazing creatures with incredible adaptations and fascinating lives. And every discovery helps us understand just how wonderful and important wild animals really are.